how to get VIP membership in Litmatch. Hello guys, in this tutorial you would learn how you can get VIP membership in Litmatch. To do that, the first step is to launch the Litmatch application on your device. Then move to the bottom right corner and click on your avatar. Then once you're on your avatar's page, your profile's page will be precise, move to the top right corner and click on the settings icon or the gear icon. And so once you're on the settings page, the next step is for you um to locate the membership option. As you can see, it's not here, and you cannot also see anything like subscription here. So since it cannot be found here, go back to your profiles page, and then by the top right corner where you can see the different icons, ensure you click on the crown icon. Okay, then by clicking on that, you will see that you're brought to the VIP membership page. So yeah, for you to be able to get the VIP membership, you can see VIP membership, you can see the different categories available. All right. So you can see the different ones available. So ensure you select the VIP. All right. All of this, there is the VIP one, there is the VIP two, there is the three, there is four, five, six. So select the one that you desire. And so once you found the one that you desire, scroll down and click on unlock privileges. And so by clicking on unlock privileges, the amounts to pay would be displayed to you. Then if you're satisfied with that, click on continue. And so you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to add your credit and your debit card, and ensure you enter in your details and all of that, and then the money will be deducted. And once the money has been deducted, your account would be reloaded and you will be on the VIP membership. So this is how you can get the VIP membership. Very easy. To ensure you try it out today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.